Imagine you're stopped at a checkpoint. A police officer asks you to hand over your phone without any reason. Or imagine you're denied a government job because of your religion. Or a landlord refuses to rent you a house because of your caste. All of this is illegal in India. And the reason it's illegal is written in a document that belongs to every single one of you. Welcome to My Rights India. In this video, we cover all 6 fundamental rights guaranteed to you by the Indian Constitution in plain language with real examples. By the end of the next 6 minutes, you will know exactly what the government can and cannot do to you and what to do when your rights are violated. Before we get into the list, let's understand what makes a right fundamental. Fundamental rights are written in Part 3 of the Indian Constitution, Articles 12 to 35. These are not government promises. They are legally enforceable guarantees. If the government violates them at any level, you can directly approach the courts. No permission needed. No middleman. High Court under Article 226 or the Supreme Court under Article 32. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chief architect of our Constitution, called Article 32 the heart and soul of the Constitution. Remember that. Right number 1, the right to equality. Articles 14 to 18. Article 14 says the state must treat every person equally before the law, rich or poor, powerful or ordinary. Article 15 prohibits discrimination in public places based on religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. If a government hospital turns you away because of your caste, that is a constitutional violation. Article 16 guarantees equal opportunity in government employment. Your religion or caste cannot be a reason to reject you for a government job. Article 17, one of the most powerful, abolishes untouchability. Practicing it is a criminal offense. Full stop. Article 18 abolishes all government-given titles. No more Sir or Rai Bahadur. Every citizen stands equal. Right number 2, the right to freedom. The most wide-ranging right in daily life. Article 19 gives you 6 specific freedoms: speech and expression, peaceful assembly, forming associations, moving freely anywhere in India, living and settling anywhere in India, and practicing any profession you choose. Article 20 protects you from arbitrary conviction. You cannot be punished for something that was not a crime when you did it. And Article 21, the most powerful of all, protects your right to life and personal liberty. Courts have expanded this to include your right to privacy, your right to a livelihood, your right to a clean environment, and your right to die with dignity. No government can take these from you without a fair legal process. Right number 3, right against exploitation. Article 23 bans human trafficking and forced labor, including the old practice of begar, where laborers were forced to work without pay. Article 24 prohibits children under 14 from working in factories, mines, or any hazardous setting. If you see a child working in a factory, call Childline 1098. That is a constitutional violation. Right number 4. Right to freedom of religion. Every Indian has the right to freely profess, practice, and propagate their religion. The government cannot force you to pay taxes that fund another religion's promotion. Educational institutions cannot make religious instruction compulsory. Right number 5. Cultural and educational rights. Any group of citizens with a distinct language, script, or culture has the right to preserve it. Minorities can establish and run their own schools. The government must pay fair compensation before acquiring any minority institution's property. These three rights protect India's core identity, its diversity. Right number 6, and this is the most important one, the right to constitutional remedies under Article 32. This right is your enforcement weapon. If any fundamental right is violated, you can approach the Supreme Court directly. No middleman, no wait, no permission needed. The Supreme Court can issue 5 types of orders called writs. Habeas corpus, produce the person, used when someone is illegally detained. Mandamus, do your duty, orders an official to perform their legal obligation. Prohibition, stop exceeding your power, stops a lower court from going beyond its authority. Certiorari, quash the illegal order, cancels an unlawful decision. Quo warranto, by what authority, challenges an illegal appointment to public office. These 5 writs are your legal toolkit. Remember them. Let's flip the perspective. Here is what no government in India, at any level, can legally do to you: arrest you and hold you for more than 24 hours without producing you before a magistrate. Discriminate against you in government employment because of your religion or caste. Force you to pay taxes that fund the promotion of one religion. Shut down a peaceful assembly without valid legal reason. Censor your speech without following due legal process. Take away your livelihood arbitrarily. Every one of these is constitutionally protected. And if it happens to you, you now know which article covers you. The law has teeth, but only if you know it. 3 things you can do right now, today. 1. Save the National Human Rights Commission helpline 14433. It is free. 2. Bookmark nhrc.nic.in. File a human rights complaint online completely free. 3. Share this video with one person who might not know their rights. Rights that are unknown are rights that go unprotected. That is the full picture. Your 6 fundamental rights, not as a textbook chapter, but as the shield the Constitution built for you. Next video, Right to Information. How any citizen can use RTI to hold the government accountable. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Drop a comment. Which right surprised you the most? Know it. Use it. Protect it. This is My Rights India.